Well, now we want to talk about a musician who's in studio today who works to help women make their way in the field of music. She is part of an organization that's called Women Crush. We've talked about that quite a bit here on Portland Today. So we have Jen Deal's song you're looking at and hearing right now. It's called Take Me Back. We have Jen in studio along with Chris Spicer. Now, you guys, welcome, first of all.
Thank you.
You call the band Camp Crush, and you're working to raise money for a new EP right now. So guys, tell us about this.
Yeah, we have a new EP coming out in May, and we're finishing up a Kickstarter. I think we have 8 hours left on it to get the Kickstarter funded so that we can make our EP.
Wonderful. Where do you get the inspiration for your music? Maybe Chris, talk about that.
Yeah, we write music together. Jen and I are married, so we spend a lot of time playing music together. It's easy to practice when we're always together. But yeah, we have been doing music together for about 10 years, and it's kind of, Jen comes up with the lyrics and the music. I help produce the songs, add different parts of the rhythm to that, and it's something that just flows between the two of us.
That's awesome. And Jen, we talk a lot about Women Crush. Now today, International Women's Day. What is it about empowering women to really be vocal in this music industry?
Absolutely. I think that the music industry traditionally has caused a lot of women to be competitive with one another. But the thing I love about Women Crush is that it fosters community and support. And so we have a big show coming up on Sunday to celebrate that.
Yeah, tell us where that is.
Yeah, it's at the Old Church. It's Sunday night, and it's a whole gala. I mean, we have businesses, female-owned businesses coming in, other female-led musicians will be playing. It's going to be a great time.
And you can find more information on Facebook. Find you guys on Facebook, Camp Crush Music. What are you guys going to perform for us today?
It's a song called The Last Hour, and it's going to be on our new EP.
Okay, take it away.
Right.
Camp Crush, Jen and Chris. Thanks, guys.
Tell me everything now, all the corners of your heart. The sun will find us and take away our dark. And every secret in these hills, and every traitor that's within. When the sun comes shining, we'll see everything in the last hour. In the last hour. In the last hour. My skin is weighted underwater, and my breath is freezing in. My heart is beating, waiting for it to begin. And the ground is so familiar, with my long, long lost friends. When the sun comes shining, we'll see the end in the last hour. In the last hour.